Welcome back to the Fusion 360 tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important aspects of the Fusion 360, the Sketch workspace. Sketches are the foundation for creating any 3D model, so mastering this area is crucial for a strong design process. First, look how to start a new sketch. Click on the Create Sketch icon from the toolbar. And you will see that Fusion 360 prompts you to select a plane. You can use the default planes X, Y and Z. If I move my cursor on these planes, then you can notice that the grid changes with the plane. So right now I choose top plane. Here is my y-axis and this is my x. We can see on the right side. Plane is important to create any sketch and 3D model. Once you are in sketch mode, you will notice a range of tools at the top toolbar. Here we can see line, rectangle, circle and other commands. So first is a line. We can simply start a line from here, or we can press L from keyboard, then the line will activate. If I move my cursor on the grid, we can notice that it snaps on the points of the grid. We can stop this snapping from here. Now we can notice that there is no snapping, so keep it active. Now we need to select our start point. This is my first point, and if I move my cursor, then we can notice angle and length. So we need to specify the second point. I specify this one and press escape. In this way we can create a simple line. Now if we want to create a line with angle and a specified value, then click here, and we need to give a measurement like 100 mm, and then press tab, and then we can give angle like 45 degree, and this is our line. The black color in the line means that it is fully constrained. After line, we can move to rectangle. So in the rectangle, the first one is 2-point rectangle, or we can simply press R to start a rectangle. And here on the right side, we can notice that we have feature options like a 2-point rectangle, 3-point rectangle or center rectangle. First we will see 2-point rectangle. This is my start point, and if I move my cursor, then we can notice that both values changes. So I press 300, tab 150, and this is our rectangle ready. Press R again, and this is my 3-point rectangle. This is my start point. This is my second corner or second point, and then if I move my cursor, then the length of this one change, and this is my 3-point rectangle. So after that we have another type which is called center rectangle. Click on this, and this is my center point, and I can give a value like 500, tab 150, and we can see that this is not fully constrained, so I will give it a value from middle of this, and we can notice that now this is fully constrained. After rectangle we have circle, and there are different types of circles. So for the circle we can press C, or we can start a circle from here. So this is our center point, and this is our diameter. We can put the value of diameter, and this is our first type of circle. And the second type of circle is a 2-point circle. For that we need to specify first point and then a second point, and this is done. We can change the value from here. For a third type of circle we have a tangent circle and 2 tangent circle. For a 3 tangent circle we need 3 lines. This is our first line, this is my second line, and this is my third line. So if I press C and then this one, and then we can notice that this is tangent to these lines. The next type of circle is 2 tangent circle. For that we need 2 lines. These are our 2 lines, and if I press C and 2 tangent circle, then we can do like this, and we can change its radius also. In the next video we will see arc, polygon, ellipse and other sketch tools. Thank you.